Ever been to a restaurant and tried out their nahari? Ever wondered how they made it so good? Well, we have the answer. This video will teach you how to make nahari that is as good as those from the 5-star restaurant. Before we begin though, be sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like as it shows your support. Enjoy! Today I am going to make nahari. For this I have taken 2 kilograms of beef with the bones in it. The beef I have used is undercut. Now in a pot I have added 1 thinly sliced medium-sized onion. I'll add 1 cup of oil and I'll fry it till the onion turns golden brown. Next, in the same pan I'll add the beef as well as 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and salt for taste and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'll also add some water so that it mixes properly, and I'll cook this for a few minutes until the water dries up. In the meantime, I'll prepare the seasoning. For this I use 1 teaspoon of cardamom, 1 teaspoon of cloves, 1 teaspoon of anise seed, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 small piece of dried ginger. I'll grind these to a fine powder. Generally, the finer the powder, the more delicious and tastier the nahari. After all this, I have taken a bowl and I'll add a cup of water in it. Then I'll add 3/4 of a cup of flour and I'll mix these well so there are no lumps. When I'm confident that it is properly mixed, I'll add another cup of water to make the consistency runny. Next, I'll add the seasoning in the pot and I'll fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll add the flour mixture, and at this point we need to stir continuously to make sure that no lumps may form. I'll stir till the boil comes. Then I'll add some more water. I'll cover and let it cook on low flame for 2 to 3 hours. Now the nahari is ready. Discard the bones and dish it out. Garnish it with thinly sliced fresh ginger, green chilies, lemon slices and coriander leaves. It really is a lip-smacking nahari. Don't forget to try cooking this and let me know what you thought in the comments. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like. Many thanks for watching.